Something super interesting just went down on February 17th. Donald Trump decided to pull up to SneakerCon with his newly released golden shoes. He was calling these shoes the Never Surrender high top sneaker, which is selling for the low price of $400. $400 for these high top sneakers. So here's a tweet that he sent out when he was announcing that he would be at SneakerCon. He said, "Looking forward to being at SneakerCon at the Philadelphia Convention Center, Pennsylvania at 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday, then leaving for a big rally in Michigan." So he pulled up, dropped these sneakers for $400, and dipped right after. I'm pretty sure he just came off a $350 million fine. Just dropping shoes right after getting fined for $350 million. Insane. So after Trump made that tweet, SneakerCon decided to send out this message. SneakerCon's mission is to support and promote sneaker culture through our worldwide live events and digital platforms. We are thankful and appreciative of the sneaker community and recognize individuals who generate awareness and authentic related sneaker engagement towards our community. So basically, SneakerCon is happy Trump's pulling up, but all I see this is trying to get the younger people's votes and for them to buy his shoes for $400 just to make a quick buck, you feel me? You can even see those shoes online on eBay selling for thousands of dollars. He also dropped these Alibaba Amazon shoes. I don't know, but the gold ones are the main thing, and these are selling for thousands of dollars on eBay, which is crazy. There's a guy at the convention that reportedly dropped 9 bands on this pair of sneakers.
So you happy right now? I got something to say. Trump, let me know.
So what was your winning bid?
$9.
And let's see the signature. All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
This guy's all happy saying Trump 2024 when he literally just gypped you out of 9 bands for some golden sneakers, bro. Like, these look like boxing shoes, bro. So let me know in the comment section if you're copying Trump shoes for $400. That's it for this video. See you later.